whether it's tech or non-tech, the fundamental question for anybody, woman, man, anybody to ask is, are you at peace with yourself? Like, if you're not solving this problem right now, then where else would you be? What other problem would you be solving? And for me, the answer was very clear. It was tech. If you think that you're solving the problem that you really love solving and you're at the right place, then and if you've chosen the company that has the ultimate culture, which is the choices that you take, the company that the choices that they take, the actions that they take every day. If it's you're not going back home thinking because I had to do this change in my product because somebody asked me to, but rather you believed that was the right decision because you're not like chasing against delivery, you're doing right back against the customer and you're delivering something which is of the highest standard of quality, impacting lives. When you're working in such thriving culture, then you're just already set to thrive. Acko is the place. It has one of the best cultures that I work with. They give you the freedom to think. They respect you for the life that you have outside work. You can always go back from work, with the passion to show up for the next day.
So when I started my career, I had met a mentor who was a woman, and she handled so many projects, and it was like she was killing it. So I thought, why not me? And I'm coming from a background of automation testing and manual testing, and she's taking that stage and thriving, and she's managing so many people. And that's how somewhere I found my place, and I started working with tech, and I'm still learning because technology is so vast, and we are learning and we are doing great.
Seeing other women share the same dreams like I do obviously helped me dream bigger. You know that feeling that if she can do it, so can I. It's never out of jealousy, it's mostly out of empowerment, and I could share that same dream with them, right? So I do feel representation matters because it helps you feel that you can get there as soon as possible if you keep on working harder.
The exact moment that sort of solidifies why I joined tech would be early in my career when I was working on a project where we were asked to build a tool that helped traders place orders. Now, after hours of brainstorming and coding, when we finally launched the tool in market and I saw the type of impact it created in our users' life, that is when I realized how powerful tech is. So tech enables you to build something that can be part of your users or their users' life. It enables you to build and also challenge a system. Look at Acko, how it has modified the way insurance works. That is the power tech holds, and this is truly the reason why I would want to work in tech and have a career in tech. I believe tech is not just about owning your technical skills, it is a way of life. It is how you think and how you solve problem, and problem solving is what excites me and would probably be the reason why I would stick with tech.
They say that technology is evolving, and that's how somewhere as the days and years go, there was a love which created where you have to learn more on tech, whether it's a simple coding or anything, but eventually it started becoming that part of your life that you have to code, and the result of pass is something which makes me happier. And that's when I realized this is where I belong.